By now you've logged in and are ready to get started. So I will walk you through the basics of using myServiceJobs, including how to create and move an entry through the job cycle. This is the home page. The buttons going down the left-hand side are the major components of the job cycle. Touching any icon will take you to a list of active entries in that category, as well as let you create a new one. You can start a job at any point in the job cycle and convert it to any other point in the job cycle as needed. This means that you can see at a glance where any individual job is in the service process. The right side icons are for managing customers and billable items and other lists, editing your settings, and get information and help, like these tutorials. At the bottom of the home page is a location where we can send you alerts and an occasional special offer from the MyServiceForce Business Center. Let's cover some of the basic operational icons and processes. At the top of all the first screens, you'll see the name of the job cycle, a back navigation button to go to the prior screen, and a plus button to create a new entry. Just below that is the search bar to find an entry from the active items listed below. Tapping on an entry opens it, and swiping it from the right allows you to delete it. Tapping the plus sign opens a new entry. The first step is to add a customer, and that is done by tapping where indicated. There, you either search and find a current customer or tap the plus sign to add a new customer that will be saved in the customer list. The check mark at the top is used to save the new entry. This is the same process for adding billable items. At the bottom of any job cycle entry, you will see additional icons. They all have the convert icon, which allows you to move the entry into another job category. Appointment and invoice have an additional icon in the middle. The appointment icon is to add the entry to your device's calendar, and the invoice icon is used to collect a payment. At the top of the entry, there's the paper airplane icon that's used for emailing the entry. You now have seen how the app functions. There's one last step to getting started, and that's managing a couple of settings. In Settings, you will want to build your profile. This information will appear on your estimates and invoices, and you will want to enter your email information. The return address will be the reply to address for any email sent from the app. The BCC, or blind carbon copy, allows you to have a copy of any email sent from the app go to the email address you input without the customer seeing it. This is a must if you want a copy in another email account. You're now ready to get started. For more detailed help, please look at the tutorial list.